Welcome back to Nightwing Chinese. This is Mia. Well, I'm right now at a square beside a shopping center at my place. And today I want to show you interesting stuff. That's 广场舞. 广场舞. 舞 means dance, dancing. 广场 means square. So literally dancing at squares. What's that? Let's see. Okay, so behind me, oh, that's small. You see people there? Yep, they're dancing, and that's called 广场舞. Usually in the evenings, you can see people dancing at these kind of squares, these empty places. Maybe near a river, maybe even near a shopping center. A group of people dancing together. That's really fun. Okay, a few words about dance today. So first up, 舞. 舞. 舞 means dancing. 舞 is a noun. So we can put adjective before it, right? Chinese dance, we say 中国舞, for example, 中国舞. Latin dance, we say 拉丁舞, 拉丁舞. Okay, we need a verb, right? I like dancing. We say 我喜欢跳舞, 跳舞, 跳. This individual character's basic meaning is to jump up. 跳. So here's basically like when you're dancing, you're like jumping, moving your body, making waves, right? That kind of vibe. So we say 跳舞, 跳舞, 跳舞. Can you dance? Can. Which verb we need? 会, right? 会. 你会跳舞吗？你会跳什么舞？你会跳什么舞？那是广场舞，他们在跳广场舞。I walked around for a bit and now I'm back to this dancing spot. And guess what? Everybody has headed home. It's about 8:45 now. So today's 广场舞 has finished. Okay, thanks a lot for watching today's Nightwing Chinese. This is Mia, signing off here. Bye bye.